What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to delete a user account in Windows 11. In case you are running on Windows 11 and you have more than one user account and you won't wish to delete one user account, how can you be able to go about it? So how do you go about it? Let's get started. So all you need to do is just click this search button and search for control panels. Search for control panels. It is just right here. Just need to single click, and once you open the control panel, we'll be able to visit that is the user user account. You can see this, what you call the user account. You just need to double click, and when you double click, you can see we also have this option one here, user account, change account type. So just need to double click, and after you double click, now this is my administrative account, and it is account that I am currently using. So in case if I want to see how many accounts are on this PC, how many user accounts are on this PC, I just need to go to that is manage another user account, and when you click manage another user account, you'll be able to see the list of accounts that are present in your PC. And in this case, you can see I have this the first account, which is named Peter. That is let me first of all go back, which is named Peter Kariuki, and also we have the second account which is named PK. So in this case, we want to manage the user account. So how do you go about it? We want to delete one of the user account, and that is the other account that I'm not currently using. So what you do, you just need to single click the account that you want to delete, and you can see make changes to PK account. You can see change the account name. So in case you want to change the account name of the other user account or even the current account that you are using, just need to click, then select this button, change the account name. In case you want to create password for that account, just need to click here and you'll be able to change password for that account. Also, in case you want to manage privileges, in case you want to change privileges, for example, we have the administrative account and also we have the normal account. When you talk of administrative account, it means in case you are using that account, you can be able to install programs, you can be able to change, for example, the network address, that is network IP addresses, and so more. So in case you are using in case you are not using the administrative account, you don't have the privileges to do all that. Then our main business of today is on how to delete that is a user account in Windows 11. And you can see here we have that option, that is delete the account. So you just need to click delete the account, and you can see there is a notification that pops out on your screen which says that do you want to keep PK files? I don't want to keep any files, so I'll just delete everything. So are you sure you want to delete PK account? Yes, so just click delete the account. And when you are doing this action, just know that when, for example, in case you are logged into just that is the normal user account and you want to delete the administrative account, it is not possible. You have to delete user account using an administrative account. An administrative account has all the rights and has all the access of that has all the access and rights over all the other accounts. So the account that I am currently deleting, it's also an administrative account, but also even the account that I am currently using to delete this user account, the PK user account, is also an administrative account. So it's very easy. You just need to click that delete button, then give your system quite some few minutes for it to complete deleting that is a user account. You can see now the process is complete, and you can see we had 2 user account and currently it's 1. So meaning we have successfully managed to delete one of the user account. You can see this account, the one that I was using, it's an administrator account. So it must be an administrative account. So lower tier accounts cannot be able to delete higher tier accounts, but higher tier accounts can be able to delete lower tier accounts. So that's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.